Hello and welcome to the video where I'll show you how to enable the tap to click on your MacBook. So tap to click is really useful. You just tap the touchpad rather than having to press and click it. Much better on the ears. So let me show you how to do this. You click onto the Apple logo, then go to System Preferences. Onwards we go to Trackpad, click that, and we have an option here called tap to click, and it says tap with one finger. So once we enable this tick, once we enable it with a tick, we can now tap on the touchpad and it will register as if you had clicked it. So I hope that's been useful to you. If it has, leave it a thumbs up. Let me know that it's worked and others as well. It'd be great if you could subscribe, and if you want to leave a message, hey, I'll respond to that too. So thank you very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day.